Morning everybody, I'm the Yorkshire Fossil Hunter and welcome back to another episode. I've come to Easington today and the bloody sand shifted. Last time I was here, the sand was right up against the top of that cliff, literally a couple of foot off the cliff top. So that just goes to show how much sand there is about to be moved. So I'm going to walk north for a little bit because I haven't been that way before, and then I'll come back on myself probably. So I'll see you soon, guys. So I've got the first ammonite of the day. It's a Dactylioceras. It's quite a decent one. It's in a big nodule and it's all there. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Not a bad first start. Already been here 5-10 minutes. The sun's just coming out. It's absolutely glorious. Look at that. So I hit into this nodule and right on the back there is, I don't know if you can see that one sec, there is an ammonite right on the other side and it looks quite unusual. I'm not really sure what that is. So I'll take that, I'll stick it back together and reverse prep it. Sorry about the wind if you can't hear me, it's really picked up now. Oh, catch. So I've just split into this and I think it's a little Echioceras multi-block, which will be nice if it is. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, it's really windy now. I'm right out in the open, so it's blowing a gale onwards and upwards. So I've just hit into a nodule and I've got a nice Pleuroceras in there. It's like a little double. I think it's all right. You can see the back of it. Oh yeah, happy with that. Be a nice little piece. Just glowing in the sun already. Right, I've hit this piece and I couldn't see out, but in the middle there is, you can see the cross chamber of the ammonite there, and then the cross chamber there. So I think it might be a Pleuroceras. It's in that sort of material, but that'll stick back together and prep. And then there's a really, I don't know if you'll be able to work it out, but there's a really small ammonite in there. I don't know what it is, maybe some Amoroceras or even a small Pleuro, I'm not sure. But yeah, starting to pick up now, getting a few fans. So there's some weird coloured rocks here today. I don't know if that's to do with the weathering and stuff, but I hit into this one and on the other side there's a little ammonite sticking out. So I won't do any more to that, I'll take that and prep it. Right everybody, that's me done for the day. I've had enough. I've walked all the way back. I didn't really get out on the way back. So I might go home and prep one of the fossils I found today and do a little bit of a roundup, and I'll keep saying that and I never do, but I might do that today because it's It's only early, so I'll see you soon. Wow.